This box is pretty recent. This is from a brand called Subtl Beauty. Never seen this brand before, I don't think, but they reached out to me through email, I think, and they wanted me to receive these gifted items. This is not paid, by the way, so the other Lawless one is not paid at all. I forgot to mention that, but the friend, they didn't send me a letter or a card. This is pretty much all they sent me. 2 things. This is, I don't know, but this is a beauty brand, by the way, so this is their Instagram. Okay, this is, what is this? Oh, I love their packaging. That's their logo. Okay, let's see, let's open it. So what is this? Ooh, it's like a stack, like a blush, bronzer, and highlighter stack. So this is like the Kaja Beauty bento box I used and unboxed. It's just a different brand. It's pretty much the same idea what they're trying to go for. Where is the Kaja one? Where is the Kaja one? Kind of like these. This is the eyeshadow one. I have the face one from them. I can't find it. No, this is another thing, but it's gonna take forever for me to find it, but oops, it's not closing. So pretty much a face bento box, like a face everyday face products in one little tiny container. So that's pretty cool if you don't have space. So I'm gonna open the first one, and oh, it's highlighter. So it doesn't come with a mirror like Kaja, but it's still pretty cool. It's a very light champagne-y, super good for fair skin like myself. It's so light that it's not capturing it, but it's very, very pretty shade. So oop. And okay, this is the bronzer shade. Yay, it's a pretty warm toasty shade. Might be a little too warm for me, but I remember they asked me to choose which shade I wanted. The one that I chose was the lightest one for fair skin tones, but it was sold out. So I was like, I guess just give me the medium olive skin tone one, because it didn't really look that dark in the picture, but it kind of looks so warm now. I don't know, because they made me choose another product instead because they didn't have my shade. But I was like, just give me a darker shade, because I really wanted to try this to compare with Kaja Beauty, you know, to see if it works just as great. So okay, so the last thing from this stack is a blush. So it's a very pretty mauve tone pinky blush, so pretty. So it's this mocha bronze powder here, but it's very pretty shades. Okay, so the last thing, ooh, it's a mini sponge. Oh no, it fell. I thought it was gonna be a mirror or something, but no, it's a cute little mini super skinny powder puff and sponge. So it fit here. How? Like, it's so tiny. It fit perfectly. I like their design. It's amazing. Like, you fit everything, excuse me, in one little container. Oh yeah, not my lipstick smearing. So it's so cute, right? Like, I'm obsessed with the packaging already, and I haven't tried this brand out ever, so this is pretty cool. Wow. Okay, this so far looks promising. Okay, so the next thing they sent me is this, but this is cool. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it's not focusing. It looks so nice. So oh, it's maybe a brush. I can't open it. I feel like I'm cooking, like those pepper ones. Oh, it is a brush, I told you. Ooh, it's so soft. It's so little. It's so perfect to carry. So, like, oh, you can use this like this. You take both of these with you, and you're good to go. Like, it's so tiny and super soft. Like, you see, like, you're gonna love this. The brush, it feels so good. It's so soft. I don't know the prices, but I'll put it here, and I'll definitely we'll try these, and I'm gonna insert a clip here applying them on. But so far, first impressions unboxing these, they look very nice. They look pretty cool. So I like this brand. This is cute. So yeah, check out their Instagram below. I might put their details in their description box. So if you tried this brand, let me know. I've never tried this brand, but they happened to reach out to me, so I'm glad, because this looks pretty nice, like cute, and I like to try different makeup brands. So wow, I don't know what they saw in me, but they were like, let's send her something, right? That's pretty cool. So just go to their Instagram and go to their website to purchase these things. So I like it, like, right? It looks pretty cool. But let me see. Ooh, you see, it's very shimmery. It looks like it's super plain, not sparkly, but look on my finger, it's shimmery. It's a natural highlighter glow. Even though this is for deeper skin tones, I can pull it off. So if you're fair like me, you can still wear this one. Okay, the bronzer, let me swatch. Oops. You see, this one looks better as eyeshadow. To me, it looks too warm. And now I highlighted on the highlighter. Oops, ignore this. But this is the pretty mauve pink shade. Is pretty universal color, kinda like mauves is good for everyone, but it's a little bit too dark maybe for me, but I can pull it off. Maybe I'm just putting light hand. I won't put a lot, trust me. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, and obviously I don't need a swatch at the powder puff. But let me do a face comparison so you can see how tiny it is. Like, it's so tiny. It's good for under your eyes, your eyeball, maybe like here. You know, it's very tiny. It's pretty. So I like this so far. Like, it's so cute. I like cute packaging, like cute little things, like so fun. Bye, thanks for watching. Bye, thank you so much, Subtl Beauty, for sending me this package. Oops, I fell. I can't wait to try this out. Like, okay, bye.